Good morning, folks. Here with Edward in my travels today on the 17th of June 2024. Had another weather issue last night. Trees down again. Take a little look here in a second. Right back. Looking like a good day. A little overcast. Had some weather last night. Lightning, thunder. I didn't notice the wind though, but down here in Portage, they sure did. Trees again, as you can see back there, seem to be knocked down here and there. There's some signs of some wind here and so forth. Hope they didn't get hurt too bad. We have to go down here in the Portage here this morning. As it is, they didn't have a tornado. They said that there are many trees down again and so forth. A couple of houses are damaged. I'm not going to go looking around for it. But if I pass it as I'm going down here to the point I need to stop at this morning, well, I'll video what I can. Right back. They sure have signs of a lot of weather down here again. Here's a tree that's fell across the road. It's been cut up overnight. Here on Oakland Drive. Few other branches laying hither and skither. Yeah, looks like tree damage. Farther south we go here, heading down near Schoolcraft today. The more tree damage I see, pick it up here in a minute. We got a few trees down right here. Big one was down. Up ahead here, it may be there's some trees right down here on the lines, and the rest of the street here is, as they say, impassable. Big tree here down right to the front of this house. We will seek another route. You can see right here a little bit of downage. Yeah. Big trees cracked off back in here. They've cleared this morning already. Very near where the tornado went through here a couple months ago. Right back. This is last left of the damage from the last tornado right there. You can see up here as we go, the trees are all wiped out from the last one. Right up here, there's several homes that are also still damaged here on this side, or wiped out from the last tornado. This whole neighborhood back here. So as you can see, they're still recovering from the last tornado. This wasn't a tornado last night. It's just high winds, a thunderstorm. There's still quite a bit of damage from that in the same general area. Right back. Okay, we're going to turn back here on Shearing Road. This is an area that was devastated by the tornado just a couple of weeks ago. It's now open. I didn't want to come down through here beforehand. So you can see the damage to the homes, and they still have the materials to pick up alongside the street yet. These are the greenhouses and so forth that were hit during the tornado, this last one. You can see they're still back in there clearing rubble yet. Large uprooted tree right here in the front yard of this home. I have to apologize, I'm having a little issue here with fog this morning. And down here we see some down lines, and here, this is just some more things from the last event that came through here. They're still cleaning up all over town in places. And you can see this here is closed down here, the trees across the street. So the same neighborhood that got hit pretty hard on the last go around had a little bit more today. Little tree here that lost about everything. Another one. They've marked them. Maybe to sell the stumps. Probably. You can see how much rain fell last night. That's filled up that whole loading dock area right there. It's like a pond now. I'll just go down here a little bit and get on with our day. Right up here really took the hit during the tornado. These homes coming up here were hit pretty hard. As you can see, both to the right and to the left, these are from the last event, of course, I mentioned earlier. This is not new damage. They'll be coming along, picking all this up. Back in here, these homes were hit really hard. we're going to be ending this here in a second or two. We're going to get out here and get upon our day. All areas here that were hit from the tornado last. Along here, there's still Gordon Food Service right there. They've got their sign to work on and so forth. Power's out along here, so we treat all stops as four ways. Of course, that guy didn't want to do that, did he? All right. Have a great day. Talk to you a little later.